Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you a few new beauty bits which are available online and in the shops at the moment, so let's get straight into this. So first off I have this super cool shimmer cut crease kit by Hatz. Now they are exclusively available on ASOS and they've got these amazing little boxes. So I have this one which, like I said, is for a cut crease. So basically in this box we've got a shimmer cut crease hacks step-by-step instructions guide. So it basically tells you how to use all of the products in the box and it's got 8 steps. That is really handy and comprehensive, to be fair. So we have the crease colour, which is a lovely shimmery red shade. You guys know I like my red, so I really like this shade actually. Ooh, and then we've got the actual glitter, which is like a shimmer powder. I'm scared to open this. Okay, it's sealed. But it's basically like a lovely sort of creamy goldy pearlescent colour, which is super pretty. And then we have a couple of brushes and an eyeliner, but what is really intriguing me in here is this little contraption. It's basically just a rubber sort of flap, for want of a better word, and basically it tells you what to do with it. So you're supposed to just place it along your lid to do your blending of your cut crease above it so that it creates a cut crease. So basically you don't need to do the usual blending and then carving out with concealer, which honestly takes forever. I am actually really excited to give this a go because if this works it could save a lot of time, and then you can use the straight edge for your cat flick as well. I really love the idea of this. I think it's a great tool for beginners. There's a few different ones of these kits. They've got lip ones and everything, so definitely go and check those out. They are on ASOS, like I said. So you guys know that I love me a Deck of Scarlet palette. I really do, and I have their latest collaboration, which is with Nikia Joy. I have mentioned these in lots of videos before. I absolutely love them. Basically they are a bi-monthly subscription service where you get a palette which is created in collaboration with a YouTuber. So like I said, this one is in collaboration with Nikia Joy and I really like this palette. I am wearing it today on my eyes. I did have one of the lip shades on, but I changed it for the video. There's a picture on my Instagram of me wearing the eyes with the lip shade. So basically what you get is a full face in one palette. Now I've used this shade on my cheeks slightly to contour, which I really like. It's like a deep plummy shade. I really like it, and I also used it for my crease. I used this shade called Space in my crease as well. I used a mixture of the highlight shade and this gold eyeshadow for my highlight, and for my brow bone highlight and my inner corners. And then on my lid I have the shade Gravity, which is so beautiful. I'm not usually a fan of cool toned eyeshadows, but these actually suit me. They look really nice. They're not ashy or anything. They're just gorgeous colours. And then you've got 2 lip shades here. This one's called Astro and it's a lovely browny grey shade, and then I was wearing this one, if you can't already tell. It's called Venus and it is the most beautiful purple. These go on so nicely. They're not like any other kind of potted lipstick that I've ever used before. Usually I find them a bit hard and difficult to apply, but these are so creamy and they're really pigmented and they're glossy and they're just beautiful. I just absolutely love this palette, and it also comes with a felt tip liner, which I also used, and these are cruelty free as well. And like I said, they're a subscription service, but you don't have to actually receive every palette. So if you're not feeling one month, then you don't have to get that one, which is really good. So next up, BareMinerals have a new face mask out. It is called the Dirty Detox Mask, and there's also this brush that you can apply it with. So the mask says that it is a skin glowing and refining mud mask formulated with 4 mineral rich clays, charcoal and papaya enzyme. I'm really excited to try this out because I do love a good deep cleansing mask. Where did the sun go? Oh, I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. It's probably going to get light again in a second, but Got a little instruction manual here. I like that. I actually really like checking out the ingredients and things that are in products. I know that BareMinerals do only use ingredients that are derived from minerals in their product, which I really like, and they don't use any nasties. I really love them as a brand, and yeah, I'm really excited to give this a try. Look at the packaging. That is gorgeous. Let's have a look at this then. How much do I want to stick my finger in that right now? Ooh, it has a really, really delicate scent. It's like barely there. It's quite green smelling. I am very, very excited to use this. I haven't done a face mask in ages, and I do like to do them because they always help my skin, but I've just been a little bit lazy recently, so I'm going to have a pamper session and use this. And the brush looks like... Ooh, it's sealed, but it basically looks like that, and there's something else in here. Ah, so this is a cloth, and I guess this is to wipe it off with. It says, here's your skin's new dirty obsession. BareMinerals Dirty Detox Skin Glowing and Refining Mud Mask pairs with these essential companions to help detoxify skin and reveal your most vibrantly healthy look. Uniquely angled mask smoothing brush works like a spatula to scoop up and an applicator to smooth on, hugging the contours of the face for perfect application. It's nice because you don't have to like put your fingers into the mask. I quite like that because it's less messy really, isn't it? The waffle textured mask removal cloth gently yet powerfully whisks away mask so your white washcloths stay stain free. Getting your face dirty never felt so clean. I am super, super excited about this. So in here I've got the new Gosh colour drops, which are now available at Superdrug. So these are basically what it says on the tin. They are coloured drops which you can add to your products. So this is a green one which neutralises redness. This is a dark one which you can add to your foundation to make it darker. I like these types of things because they mean that you don't have to go out and buy another foundation in summertime. You can just add a little bit of this and you're good to go. And then there's also a lighter one so that you can do the same kind of thing in winter if your foundation's a little bit too dark. And then there is this lilac one which neutralises yellow and dull tones as well. I do actually like using green colour correctors on redness. It works so well. Ooh, I'm just reading the press release and it says that you can add them to moisturiser as well. That's a good idea. Yeah, you could just add the colour corrector to your moisturiser and then apply your foundation. Or if you just want to be super natural, you could just not wear foundation, just use that to neutralise the tones in your skin and then maybe stick on a bit of concealer where you need it. I like the idea of these, you know. And they also contain ingredients which benefit your skin like cherry blossom and oil derived from sapphire, which hydrates and protects. And the cherry blossom is good because it's an antioxidant. That is pretty cool. Thank you for those. Okay, next from Breton. I've been using this and absolutely loving it. It's their Age Priority Thermo Innovation Deluxe Gold Serum. Now guys, this is a bit bougie. It contains gold and caviar, but it gives your skin the loveliest glow. It's basically a serum, so I apply this before my moisturiser, and like I said, my skin just glows. I love using this before I apply makeup. If I'm wearing like my Glossier makeup look that's just super natural and lets my skin show through, then I love wearing this underneath. I don't wear it if I'm wearing full-on foundation like I am today because there's just no point, it won't show through. But if you're into a super natural look or you just want your skin to look glowy, then this is amazing. And it's also great because it's anti-aging and it is benefiting your skin as well, so you don't necessarily have to just wear it underneath makeup, but that's what I like doing. I just love the healthy look that it gives my skin. Honestly guys, if you haven't tried this brand, they have some amazing products. I would definitely recommend checking them out. Next up from Sigma, this is not that new. I mean, it was released last month I think, but it's their Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette, and I need to show you this because their Warm Neutrals Volume 1 palette was literally, it still is one of my favourite warm toned eyeshadow palettes. It's just beautiful. I went through a phase in 2016 I think it was, where I just used it all the time and I was raving about it. So I was very excited when the second volume came out, and it's so beautiful. Look at these shades. There's pink shimmer shades, there's red shimmer shades, there's burgundies, there's browns, there's like this gorgeous copper colour, there's a red, a matte red, and one that is a very, very pigmented as well. I love this red so much. It's amazing. This transition shade is so beautiful. I haven't tried this greeny goldy colour yet, but I'm really excited to. I also really, really like this darker brown shade. I just really, really like warm neutral tones, which is why this palette really excites me. It's just so beautiful, and it contains a good size mirror as well. I wore this on Christmas Day. I wore like the reddish copper shades. I was very basic Christmassy, but I loved it. I was really liking my look that day. So next up, I got this in the post the other day. This is the Sigmatic collection, and basically what it is they've added some new bits to their brush cleaning collection. Oh, just hit myself in the face with it. But yeah, this excites me because I really, really like their brush cleaning mat. I use it all the time. It's amazing. It's got like different textures on it, so you can wash your different brushes on the different textures. It's just very, very handy. I also love their brush cleaner, but now they also have this Sigmatic scrub. It's a scrub for your makeup brushes. I mean, that's just pampering your makeup brushes on another level, isn't it? So the Sigmatic scrub is basically a solid brush cleaner, and it's got these little sticky feet at the back. How cute is that? Woo! It's got the product in here, and then it's got all these little pink spikes, I guess for texture, to help you actually clean your brushes. So you can just place this into your sink with the sticky feet, let the water run over it, and then wash your brushes. I mean, I'm guessing, I haven't read the instructions yet, but that's what I'm taking from it. It says directions: secure suction cups in sink, swirl wet brush on texture to lather, rinse well with warm water, repeat as needed. For best results, dry brushes using the Sigma Dry and Shape Tower. I've never actually used anything like this before, so I am very excited about it. And then in this box, like I said, we've also got the original brush shampoo, which lathers up, and then this one, which I haven't tried before. I think, is this one new? I'm not sure if this one is new, but I just haven't tried it before. But this is the foam shampoo, so this basically comes out like a foam, so you don't have to spend time lathering your brushes up, and it's a really good size as well. And these are 100% natural, antimicrobial, and fragrance, paraben and sulfate free, which is fabulous. So Technic have just launched their 10 out of 10 vegan tan, and they've sent me over a bottle of their bronzing mousse, which just excites me massively because you know I like to tan. And this says it's a fast developing self-tan mousse. I like mousses. They're my favourite type of tan. I'm not the biggest fan of lotions and like spray tans. I'm not really into them. I really like mousses, so I'm very excited to try this out. Also new from Technic are these Glitter Me Up glosses. So these are basically glitter glosses, but they dry down matte and they can be used as a lip topper. So if you want to just add a little bit of glitter to your favourite lipstick, then you can with these. Ooh, I really like this pink shade. How nice is that? That is gorge. There's also this lovely silvery one. This one's gorgeous. This is like a red, but the reflects are like green. That is so pretty. And then there's a lilac one, there's another silvery one. I think this is just a standard gloss, it's just red. And then we have a bright fuchsia one as well. Ooh, there's another pink one. This one's called red. I suppose that is red actually, but the reflects of the glitter are pink. And then I don't think these are new, but I've got their Brow Amazing eyebrow gel as well, and the Pro Finish eyeshadow palette. Oh my word, guys. Look at these shades. Those are beautiful. I can't get over it. They're all warm neutrals. You guys know I love me a warm neutral. I'm so excited to use this palette, and I love the fact that it's got a double-ended brush. That is not something you often see with drugstore brands, so I'm very impressed with that. Okay, so I don't think these are particularly new, but I wanted to share them with you because they were sent over to me and I'm very excited about them. So I have a load of the Nudestix. I've got some of the lip pencils and I have some of the eyeshadow sticks as well, and they all look just super beautiful. So they basically all come in these individual little tins, and they have like a little instruction manual and it tells you about the product and everything. I haven't read it, which I probably should, because I'm quite confused as to what this is. They all come with one of these. If you guys know please just let me know. Oh, do you know what? I could just read instructions, couldn't I? I don't know. I can't actually find it on here, but if you guys know what this is for, let me know. But anyway, this is one of their eyeshadow sticks. It's in the shade Gilt, and it's just a beautiful goldy shade. So pretty. I also have the shade Burnish, which is just a beautiful like bronzy colour. I'll give you little swatches. Like, how nice is that? And it glides on so easily. So this is Gilt, the one that I just showed you. Beautiful. And then we also have this shade which is called Angel, which is just a beautiful champagne-y pink, and that could be used as a lid colour or a highlight shade. I think that might be my favourite. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, and these are so creamy. I'm so excited to use them. And then I have one of their lip pencils, which you can use as a lip liner or as a lipstick. I think you can use them on your cheeks as well, and this is in the shade Saint, which is just gorge. It's like a lovely corally pinky shade. I'm well into that. I think that'll be so nice in springtime. And then this shade is called Grey Stone. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Oh, I love that. That is gorgeous. I am so excited to use these. Again, they just feel so creamy and nice. To be honest, with these being sticks, I was expecting them to feel a little more dry, but they're very creamy. I can imagine them being quite moisturising on the lips. And this one's in the shade Boho. It's quite similar to the other one, but just slightly lighter. I really like these. So let me know down below if you've tried any of these products out, or if you're excited to, which ones do you want to give a go. And yeah, be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!